Hello, this is Leo from LeBlanc Tech Services. Please excuse how raw these first few videos are. The production quality will improve. Stay tuned. Hi, today we're going to be talking about Brave, the web browser. It was created by the former CEO of Mozilla, who is also the inventor of JavaScript programming language, which is like the reason why I decided to check it out, because I thought it could be kind of cool. And there are some good things about it, and there are some not good things about it. So let's start off with the good. It blocks ads, pop-ups. That's enabled by default. It's very secure. It's a very fast browser. And it even shows you in real time. It'll show you exactly what it's blocking on that particular web page at any given moment. You just have to click the shield button that's in the toolbar. So that's kind of cool. It's built on Chromium, which is Google's open source. I mean, I prefer it not to be on that, but when it started out, it wasn't on that. But they needed to, from a development standpoint, they wanted to be able to update it on a more regular basis. So I understand why they did it. There is a caveat. If you're going to be using this with iOS, then it's not going to be faster than Safari. Safari will always be faster on iOS. Apple requires all web browsers to use their WebKit API for rendering and for JavaScript. So it will always be faster than everybody else. That's just the way it is. So you should know that, which is, it's kind of a cool concept, I guess. The altcoin BAT, which stands for Basic Attention Token, lame. But it's actually traded on most of the cryptocurrency exchanges. It's an ERC20 token, so that will mean it's on the Ethereum blockchain. So you can get, like, you can do something, you can do things with it. Finally, this browser has a built-in VPN feature. At first it seems kind of cool, but they've partnered with a company called Guardian, and they charge $10 a month, which is crazy. It's really expensive for a VPN. And so you would think that it is awesome and fast, but Guardian VPN is terrible. It's overpriced. It slows your connection down. It's oftentimes not stable. So I wouldn't recommend it. And it's actually so bad that I'm wondering why they chose to build it into this browser. Yeah. So, or a Mac, and you just want to go fast and check it out, I mean, it's all right. But yeah. So my review for this browser is meh. And the VPN is bad. Look out for my next video. We're going to be talking about VPNs, why they're important, and which ones I like. Check it out.